she comes.
Where's the camera?
I don't know, wherever you left it. What is that? Hold on, let's look at that.
There's the camera.
Did Sable strike again this year?
Maybe. Don't open it yet. I gotta get a picture of that.
Who wrapped that?
Sable probably got on it. Maybe Sable.
Are those Sable's paw prints?
Yeah, I think they are.
Is that what she was doing yesterday? With all the paper on the floor?
I don't know. Nelly, open it. What is it?
I bet it's just a box. Not that box, but that box.
Like it was a couple of years ago.
Oh my gosh, Sable.
He's like, I don't do anything.
What could be in there? What do you think's in there?
Probably.
Another alpha.
Maybe dog
Dog treats?
toys.
You think she got that from Mailbox? We'll tear into it.
She's gonna need help.
Oh, it's tough. It's a tough one to get.
What is it?
It's cold.
What is it?
Hope Sable doesn't spend any of your money.
Turn it over, baby. Turn it over.
What is that?
Eyewear. This is someone else.
No
What?
way.
Who'd you ask for it for?
Kit?
This is a kid.
Which one is it?
Mary?
Oh. So my mom said she was getting it.
I told you, your mom needs to quit telling you she's buying you presents.
Oh
Sable
my
must have heard
gosh. Sable must have been in cahoots.
What are you gonna do with that? That's not a stuffed animal.
Yeah, Sable.
There she is.
Oh,
That's
cool.
who this is.
That is so cool.
And she could have come with. Oh, here's Kit.
That's the one I always wanted when I was a kid.
I was gonna get a Just Like Noe doll.
Well, Julie's kind of just like Noe. Is that her name, Julie?
Yeah, it says it. So she's got to stay in this box?
Here are her books.
Noe, hold it up so I can take a picture.
I'm trying to get it out.
Okay, I don't want to